3 by 2 is 6. 1 by 2 is 0.2. The answer is 62. 7 by 4 is 28. The answer is 280. 4 by 6 is 24. The answer is 240. 9 by 4 is 36. 9 by 4 is 36. The answer is 396. 3 by 7 is 21. 8 by 7 is 56. The answer is 266. 8 by 9 is 72. 9 by 9 is 81. The answer is 801. 4 by 4 is 16. 5 by 4 is 20. The answer is 180. 1 by 3 is 0.3. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 36. 8 by 6 is 48. 4 by 6 is 24. The answer is 504. 4 by 3 is 12. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 126. 5 by 3 is 15. 4 by 3 is 12. The answer is 162. 6 by 7 is 42. 5 by 7 is 35. The answer is 455. 4 by 6 is 24. 2 by 6 is 12. The answer is 252. 7 by 6 is 42. 2 by 6 is 12. The answer is 432. 3 by 4 is 12. 1 by 4 is 0.4. The answer is 124.